Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start on the Roblox website, sign in now and click the gear icon at the top right. Once signed in, open Settings and go straight to Account or Theme. This is the only built-in route to change the site appearance, so don't jump to extensions yet. Make sure you're using a desktop browser for full settings access. If settings looks different, refresh and verify you're fully signed in, then proceed to the theme controls visible in your account options. Once in theme or appearance, choose dark from the drop-down or flip the dark toggle. This tells Roblox to render UI elements in dark colors. After selecting dark, click Save or Apply if available, then refresh any open Roblox tabs to make the change take effect. This switch changes menus, profile pages, and many site elements immediately. If you manage multiple browsers, repeat these steps per browser, because theme settings are complete by confirming dark is active across account pages. Log out and back in if something looks off. If the theme didn't apply, clear the browser cache and hard refresh the page, then recheck theme settings. Note, mobile apps sometimes follow your device's system dark mode rather than the site setting, so enable system dark on phone if needed. If problems persist, ensure no browser extensions override site styles, disable them briefly and retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.